Yep, I know that thumbnail got your mouth watering over that tater salad. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Cajun potato salad. You ready? Let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. We have our red potatoes here. Guys, if you don't have red potatoes, you can definitely use those Yukon Gold potatoes. We have some eggs here. This is 6 boiled eggs. I chopped it. We got 3/4 cups of mayo here. Dill pickle relish here. Dijon mustard, some spicy mustard. Dijon mustard, some whole grain Dijon mustard, some spicy mustard, celery, onions, some green onions, salt and pepper to taste, a green bell pepper chop, our Cajun seasoning. You know we need that. Some hot sauce, and the juice of half a lemon. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna go ahead and crank our heat up on our water. So right here, I have a pot of water here, and I'm gonna bring this to boil. And as it comes up to boil, we're gonna add some salt here. And we're gonna start preparing our potatoes. So we're gonna add our potatoes in here. Now guys, you can also skin your potatoes if you want to. Typically when I use red potatoes, I actually keep the skin on. I like the skin on the red potatoes, but you can also de-peel them if you want to. It's totally up to you. And like I say, we're gonna let this come up to a boil. Once it's up to a boil, we're gonna let it cook for 10 or boil for 10 minutes, all right? Until those potatoes soften a little bit. All right, so we're 10 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a check to make sure these babies are soft like we want them before we pull them out. But I know they are exactly how we want them. We're gonna turn that off. I'm gonna move these over to our sink and then I'm gonna get them drained and then we're gonna come back to our cutting board. So now we're gonna start preparing our potato salad mixture. So we're gonna add our mayo here, our mustards, the celery, green peppers, green onions, our onions. I didn't mention parsley, but we're gonna use some fresh parsley, guys. Our dill pickers, pickles, salt and pepper, definitely that Cajun seasoning, our hot sauce, and our lemon juice. And we're just going to get this mixed up. Just like that. Now we're gonna bring over our potatoes. I've already had these babies drained, and we're just gonna dump them in here like that. And we're gonna start getting that mixed in. And once you get it mixed like this, you wanna come behind that with your eggs. Now guys, at this point, once you get your eggs in here, you can start mixing it like we're doing now, or you can start getting them mashed in, because some people like their potato salad mashed. For me, it doesn't really matter. Typically when I make it with red potatoes, I typically just mix it. Guys, once you take your potatoes off your stove, what you want to do is make sure you let them cool slightly. Guys, take a look at that right there. Man, that looks delicious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit this in the refrigerator, let it cool, because I like my potato salad cold. I don't like warm potato salad. I like it cool. And once we do that, we're gonna come back and we're gonna do quality control, all right? All right, so here we are. I left it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and we're just gonna put some finishing touches on it just to make it look pretty. We're gonna add a few green onions on the top of it, along with sprinkling a little Cajun season on that thing. Y'all already know that's what we got, this Cajun potato salad. This Cajun seasoning on the top. And then we're gonna follow that up with just a little paprika. And there you have it, guys. Cajun potato salad. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Guys, I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. Check it out. Let's jump into quality control. All right, we back in here. Quality control time, guys. I put some of that Cajun potato salad right here in this bowl right here for us to check out. Now, let's go ahead without further ado. Y'all know I tasted a little bit, but I had to do it in front of the camera too, so. Oh my goodness. Salad. And guys, I know, trust me, all potato salad ain't created equal. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can't make no potato salad. You know when y'all get y'all family together, everybody want to know who made the potato salad. Who made that potato salad? Oh, Auntie Gwen. Oh man, we ain't eating that potato salad. Or was it Auntie Shirley? Oh, Shirley, yeah, Shirley makes some good potato salad. You always want to know who made the potato salad and that mac and cheese. Sometimes the dressing, but Granny always make the dressing, so Granny dressing be good. You know what I'm saying, Big Mama. But guys, you ain't gotta worry about this right here. When you bring this in, everybody gonna love it. You know what I'm saying? So, until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.